Welcome to our deep dive into the world of quinoa nutrition. If you've been keeping an eye on health trends, you've likely noticed that quinoa has taken the culinary scene by storm. This tiny grain, often hailed as a superfood, is not just a trendy ingredient. It's packed with nutrients that can significantly enhance your diet. Quinoa is a complete protein, which means it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. This makes it an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans looking to boost their protein intake. But that's not all. Quinoa is also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, including magnesium, iron, and B vitamins. With its low glycemic index, it's a fantastic option for those managing blood sugar levels, making it a staple in many modern diets. What makes quinoa truly versatile is its ability to adapt to various culinary styles. Whether you're tossing it into a salad, using it as a base for a hearty bowl, or even incorporating it into baked goods, quinoa can elevate any dish. Its nutty flavor and fluffy texture make it a delightful addition to both savory and sweet recipes. As we explore the growing popularity of quinoa, it's fascinating to see how this ancient grain has transitioned into a modern superfood. More people are recognizing its health benefits and incorporating it into their meals, whether they're looking for a nutritious side dish or a filling main course. In this video, we'll delve deeper into the nutritional benefits of quinoa, share some delicious recipes, and discuss how you can easily incorporate this powerhouse grain into your everyday meals. So, stick around as we uncover the many reasons why quinoa deserves a spot on your plate. Nutritional profile of quinoa. Quinoa is often celebrated for its impressive nutritional content, making it a favorite among health enthusiasts. In a typical 100g serving of cooked quinoa, you'll find approximately 120 calories, which is relatively low compared to many other grains. But it's not just about calories. Quinoa is packed with essential nutrients that contribute to a balanced diet. One of the standout features of quinoa is its protein content. A 100g serving contains about 4 grams of protein, which is significant for a grain. What sets quinoa apart is that it is a complete protein source, meaning it provides all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need. This is particularly beneficial for those following plant-based diets, as it helps ensure adequate protein intake without relying solely on animal products. In addition to protein, quinoa is rich in dietary fiber, offering around 2.8 grams per serving. This fiber content aids in digestion and helps maintain a feeling of fullness, making quinoa a great choice for weight management. Furthermore, quinoa is a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, phosphorus, manganese, and B vitamins, all of which play vital roles in various bodily functions. Another appealing aspect of quinoa is its low glycemic index, which means it has a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. This makes it an excellent option for individuals managing diabetes or those looking to maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. Moreover, quinoa is naturally gluten-free, making it suitable for those with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. This versatility allows it to fit seamlessly into a variety of diets, from paleo to vegan, ensuring that everyone can enjoy its health benefits. In summary, quinoa's rich nutritional profile, complete protein status, low glycemic index, and gluten-free nature make it a powerhouse grain that deserves a place in your pantry. Health benefits of quinoa. Quinoa is not just a trendy superfood. It comes packed with a variety of health benefits that can enhance your overall well-being. One of the most notable advantages of incorporating quinoa into your diet is its high fiber content. With about 2.8 grams of fiber per 100g serving, quinoa can help you feel fuller for longer, which is essential for weight management. The fiber aids in digestion and can help regulate appetite, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight without feeling deprived. In addition to its weight management benefits, quinoa plays a significant role in promoting heart health. Research suggests that the nutrients found in quinoa can help lower cholesterol levels, particularly LDL or bad cholesterol. The presence of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants in quinoa contributes to improved cardiovascular health. By incorporating quinoa into your meals, you may reduce your risk of heart disease and support overall heart function. Quinoa is also rich in antioxidants, which are compounds that help combat oxidative stress in the body. These antioxidants, including flavonoids like quercetin and camphorol, have been shown to reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases. By fighting free radicals, quinoa can help lower the risk of conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Moreover, the anti-inflammatory properties of quinoa can be particularly beneficial for individuals dealing with chronic inflammation or autoimmune conditions. By including quinoa in your diet, you may experience a reduction in inflammation, leading to improved overall health and well-being. In summary, the health benefits of quinoa are extensive. From aiding in weight management through its high fiber content to promoting heart health and providing powerful antioxidants, quinoa is a versatile grain that can contribute positively to your diet. So, whether you're looking to improve your health or simply enjoy a delicious meal, quinoa is a fantastic choice. Dietary uses of quinoa. Quinoa is incredibly versatile, making it easy to incorporate into a wide range of meals. Whether you're looking for a nutritious side dish or a hearty main course, quinoa can elevate your culinary creations. One popular way to enjoy quinoa is in salads. A refreshing quinoa salad can be made by mixing cooked quinoa with fresh vegetables, herbs, and a zesty dressing. For example, a Mediterranean quinoa salad with cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, and feta cheese is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Another fantastic option is to create quinoa bowls. These bowls can be customized to your liking, featuring a base of quinoa topped with proteins like grilled chicken, tofu, or chickpeas, along with an array of colorful vegetables. Drizzle with your favorite sauce or dressing, and you have a satisfying meal that's both nutritious and filling. Quinoa can also be a delightful breakfast option. Consider making a warm quinoa porridge by cooking quinoa in almond milk and adding toppings like fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. This hearty breakfast will keep you energized throughout the morning. One of the best aspects of quinoa is its ability to serve as a substitute for traditional grains like rice or pasta. You can easily swap out rice for quinoa in stir-fries, curries, or grain bowls, adding a nutty flavor and a boost of protein. Similarly, quinoa can replace pasta in dishes like casseroles or salads, providing a gluten-free alternative that doesn't compromise on taste. We encourage you to experiment with quinoa in your cooking. Its adaptability means you can try it in various cuisines, from Mexican to Asian, and discover new flavors and textures. By incorporating quinoa into your meals, you're not only enhancing the nutritional value, but also enjoying a delicious and satisfying ingredient. So, get creative and let quinoa inspire your next culinary adventure. Conclusion. In summary, quinoa is a powerhouse grain that offers a wealth of nutritional advantages and versatility in the kitchen. As we've discussed, quinoa is a complete protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids, making it an excellent choice for those following plant-based diets. Its high fiber content not only aids in digestion, but also helps with weight management by keeping you feeling full longer. Additionally, quinoa is rich in vitamins and minerals, including magnesium and iron, which are vital for overall health. The versatility of quinoa allows it to be incorporated into a variety of meals, from refreshing salads and hearty bowls to delicious breakfast porridge. Its ability to substitute for rice or pasta makes it an easy addition to many recipes, enhancing both flavor and nutrition. Whether you're looking to create a quick weeknight dinner or a gourmet dish, quinoa can adapt to your culinary needs. Incorporating quinoa into your balanced diet is a simple yet effective way to boost your nutrient intake. With its numerous health benefits, including support for heart health and its antioxidant properties, quinoa can play a significant role in promoting overall well-being. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the many ways quinoa can enhance your meals and contribute to a healthier lifestyle. If you enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos on nutrition and cooking. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from learning about quinoa. Together, let's spread the word about this incredible superfood and encourage everyone to embrace its delicious and nutritious potential. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.